What's up, YouTube? Welcome to my home. So I said I was telling you about my Lowe's fence project. So we wound up buying a bucket. We wound up buying a screwdriver bit set. We wound up buying a box of screws, and we wound up buying 8 panels. Right, one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 8 panels, and we wound up buying 6 2x4s. Be sure. So I wound up recycling some of it. So I had one there we used, one there we used. I cheated in the corner. So it was $700 of material. 8 bags of Quikrete, 8 panels, 6 4x4 posts. So I cheated here just to save on money here. So I just toe nailed this in with these Torx bit screws, and then I recycled this post, and then I recycled this post, and then I recycled this post, and then that one was rotten, another one was rotten and broke. Put a new one here, and then these were leftovers from another job. So I need to return 5 posts and 2 fence panels. So for a privacy fence, this is the cheapest, and we're gonna back out. We'll back out, say $100 with the material, so $600, not including labor, to do what you see here. And if I would have replaced all the posts like I planned, and used all the concrete, it would have been just about $700 in materials. So I did the polymer fence a long time ago, but this is my neighbor's fence that was all rotted out, and they're on a tight budget. So I just said, I'll put this back up, which is cost effective for me. And then the neighbor's tree fell down and broke the other side there. And then this neighbor had this done, so I was like, all right, well, it saves me money doing my own fence work there. And then in the front, I made a double gate and a single gate over there. But what I think I'm going to do on this side is I need to take a measurement. What I think I'm going to do is, since I have very limited space here, is I'm going to chop this tree down. I'm going to redirect the thing, and I'm going to try and probably run this fence up as far as I can go, and then take these panels and move them forward. And then I'll use the wooden fence runners here, and then what I'm going to do is I'll be able to store 2 of my jet skis here, because the front of my house looks like a used car lot for all the vehicles. Cool. It's setting up nice. And I didn't use a string or anything. I just kind of used my eye, because I can see pretty straight, and it's fairly straight. This, it worked out good. But man, what would somebody charge, like a fence company, to come out here and do this job? I mean, they're not going to reuse wood, right? This cost me $600 just to do what I did here. So I'm going to say, if I spent $700 to do it 100% right, $1,500, I want to say maybe double your cost of goods. I'm not sure. And then do the rest of your fence. Holy crap, dude. Holy crap. Now I remember when these panels, I think, were like $25. And then they were on sale, I think, for $50, which they're not 6x10s. I think that's what they are, right? Yeah, 6x8s or 6x10s. I'm not sure. I don't have the receipt in front of me. But wow, holy crap. And I bought a Home Depot bucket. I already had a screw gun. I need to fix up my little hoopty shed here and repaint it, and pressure wash and tidy up. Yeah, the neighbor's tree fell down here. They asked to pay to fix it. I said, don't worry about it, I'll take it. I service their vehicles. I actually service that neighbor's vehicles too. I service a couple of neighbor's vehicles. And then we made this double gate here. And I bought some rebar and bent it and made up some brackets and stuff, which we never use. Never use the double gates. My property's really not that big. I should have made it, try to do double gates, and then I can get more stuff back here. But I don't even think I can drive this through that gate. Probably my 04 I can, and maybe my Monte Carlo, but I don't want to put anything in the backyard. But yeah, it was a quick project. Me and April banged that out fairly quick. And then there's the extra material. So let's walk out to my truck. My other truck. This is my daily truck. This is my hot rod. And Jeeps. My other daily. And then my skis. And I have more skis at the shop. And more vehicles at the shop. And then this is scrap truck, whatever truck. I mean, she's rusted, but it runs great. So I have 2 panels left. And I have 5 4x4s and 2 bags of Creed. So just under $600 in materials. Wow, expensive. Everything's so expensive anymore. Just blows my mind. All right, thanks for watching, everybody. Appreciate it.